If you're ready to boost your flexibility, regularly practicing yoga may be one of the best ways to increase mobility in your muscles and joints. So hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, we're going to talk about 3 yoga asanas you can do at home to improve your flexibility. The first pose is head to knee or Janu Shirshasana. Let's practice this pose. Sit on a yoga mat and extend your left leg forward. Bend your right knee out to the side, pressing the right foot into the left inner thigh. Breathe in and sit up tall as you raise your arms overhead. Breathe out and bend at hips as you fold forward towards your left leg. Hold on to your outstretched foot or the leg or place your hands on the floor. Remain in this pose for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not force the spine to reach the thigh. Switch your legs to stretch the other side. Repeat this twice in total. Moving on to the next pose, which is supine pigeon or Supta Kapotasana. Now let's practice this pose. Lie down on your back, keeping your knees bent. Place the right foot over the left thigh in a number 4 position here. Move the right thigh away from you, stretching the hip flexors. If you feel a fair amount of tightness, stay here. Otherwise, bring the left knee in towards you as you interlace your fingers around your thigh or shin, keeping the right thigh open. Hold the pose for around a minute, then switch sides. You can hold this pose for 5 to 10 deep breaths depending on your strength and stamina. Repeat this twice in total. The last pose is low lunge. Let's practice this pose. Start on all fours. Place the right foot in between your hands. Keep the left knee on the floor extended behind you. Raise your arms over your head and join the palms together. Lengthen up through your spine to the crown of your head. Slowly and gently push your right hip towards the floor. Hold for at least 30 seconds. As you hold, make sure the right knee doesn't push forward past the ankle. Switch your legs and repeat on the other side. Repeat 2 to 3 times in total. This pose can help open your hips, build muscle strength and lengthen your spine. This floor pose is perfect for any level and may even relieve sciatica pain. It is a great preparatory pose for splits. If you have tight hips, hamstrings, calves and shoulders, yoga is exactly what you need. Flexibility is not a prerequisite, it is a result. Do you also think you need to be naturally flexible to attempt to do yoga? Do let us know your thoughts on this and keep watching this space for more such content.